Okay, next lesson, I will draw a tall colored bird's house like this, guys. Square, triangle, and circle. Okay, let's start. Then you guys go back to the main menu. Here I can create a folder with your names to save the lesson. Okay, then in this folder I will create a file. New turtle file. Here is lesson number 4. Any name here? House. Okay, next I'll draw this. In this lesson, I will draw with Blockly. Okay. Thus the first flag. This. And simply, I will draw a square. Okay. Forward and left. Repeat 4 times. That's right, so repeat 90. Here we can use right. Okay. Then I will repeat. So for control, you use repeat. 4 hours. Simply, I will use a fill block. Here I will draw and fill in the house fill. It's so simple. Okay, triangle, I will duplicate this. Okay, here is the triangle. So for the triangle here I will use red. And here, instead of left and right, I will use left. Here the angle is 120 degrees. Okay. So if you run up, it will look like this. Easy, so here is the picture. As for the remaining circle in the middle, I will use dot. And before drawing the circle here, I will dot. So here I will not use circle, but I will use dot. Dot. Okay. For example, 70. And me, what will it be like? Give it back, ha. Burn. I'm going to move this in, and before burning, what I need is pen color, ha. Here it's white. Combine this and we'll move inside. Right. So go big. Okay. I will go to the right and go down. Going to the right is 50, going down is minus 50. Okay, go right, go down. Go right and down. And there it is. Here it still has a road attached. That's why I have to use 2 commands here. These are 2 pen up commands. And I will pen up. Okay, go to some random set bend down. Okay, so the last command I will bend up go to random. Okay, I will review this, guys. So here I will review my code. It only has 3 parts. The teacher zoomed back into the first part. And this is the square part. Finished with a triangle. And finally, the circular shape. Before entering the circle, I will go somewhere. So bend up, go to and bend down. There, let's run. Okay, I finished the house.